What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a long time. Probably haven't posted in over a week. That's probably the longest I've ever not posted since I started like this YouTube thing. But if you guys haven't watched last video, I let the homie Hugo make a whole vlog on my YouTube channel. I told him I have no content. I was feeling sick, I was super busy, I just had nothing to post this week. So shout out to Hugo for going out, making a whole vlog for you guys, editing it and everything, and putting it on the channel so you guys can get a video to watch this week. But today we're gonna make a vlog finally, because I haven't filmed in so long. It feels weird to even hold the camera because I haven't filmed in so long. But we're gonna head to Azusa. We're gonna go for a little canyon run today with the homie Joseph and Sam, and I think Sam wants to drift the whole canyon, so it should be pretty lit. Also guys, the reason I also haven't been posting is not only because I'm sick, but I'm super busy. Like literally all week guys, I've been on the phone back and forth with dealerships, and I might be possibly getting a new car soon. Like I'm very close to it. I've literally been on the phone with like so many people trying to get this car, and hopefully soon we'll be getting a new car on the channel. I'm pretty excited. You guys probably already know what it is. Why you look like that?
No, I'm being precautious.
Dude, the virus stuff is pretty scary. Like I'm actually scared to go outside right now. But alright guys, we met up with Sam. We got Joseph and the homie Matt behind us. I'm trying to go behind Sam so we can catch him drifting, because I know he's gonna be drifting the whole way up. And if you guys remember, I brought the homie that's scared of freaking cars. It's not that bad. At least you're not in Sam's car. I'd be scared in that car. Oh my god. Dude, Sam's crazy. That was an E92. Turn around, fool. Oh my god, dude. I can do shit for it. You got it? I don't know how good it caught on the GoPro, but holy shit. You bumped it, bro.
But bro, like it's fucking sick.
Look at your car.
What?
You messed it up.
For what?
Oh my god, dude. Alright guys, that was super foggy. This shit is crazy. Damn, hella cars up here. There's a whole car meet up here. Oh, thank you, bro. I'm making a vlog right now. What's up, dude? What's up, guys?
No fucking way.
Guys, look, we made it to the top. We got Cooper with us. What's up, Cooper? We got the M3 out here. We got a bunch of other cars. Matt pulled up in this Aston Martin like James Bond. Sam's crazy E30. You're crazy, Sam.
Why?
Let's switch cars down.
Yeah, right.
Let me just drive it down. Or let me try to do donuts right here in it.
Do it in your car.
Oh my god. I didn't even see this shit.
My friend just looked up.
Again.
You gotta match the outside.
Last time was this side, but then he fixed it. If you guys remember that vlog, it was at Irwindale.
It wasn't actually bad.
Sick ass. Okay, Matt's gonna try it in Sam's car.
bad at all. I swear. For a guy that doesn't drive for like.
Oh my god, dude.
That's loud.
Guys, I can't explain how cold it is up here. Look at this. It's freaking freezing, bro. No! Hold on, let me do one. Sam's trying to tandem with me. Fucking crazy. You're so close to me, dude. Oh my god. Sam, you need tires to go home. Bro, how is he gonna go home? I think his tires are done. We're literally tandeming with Sam. I don't know if you guys, if I got it good on camera. Hopefully he recorded it. We're literally tandeming, bro. 2 people at a time. Do some donuts, Cooper. You saw his back legs? Like, oh shit.
Say hi, Mike.
Dude, he's getting big. Oh shit. Guys, that was crazy. We're on our way down now because it's freezing. I think I got enough content up there, I think. Oh my god, I think he popped it.
He did.
He popped it. Why are you so scared?
You don't know what the fuck is coming.
Bro, that shit is crazy. I haven't driven my car like that in a long time. You good?
No, I don't feel good.
Bro, it's not that bad.
Hey, you fucking asshole! Look at the fucking power
You spilled it or what?
Yes, you stupid shit.
Oh shit! I didn't know you were drinking.
You saw me.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. They're like gunshots. Oh my god, dude.
Yeah, it's done.
Oh my god. And Sam just bought these today. Like maybe an hour ago. Where are we gonna go?
I'm fucking driving.
Dude,
Get down now, I go AAA.
I don't think that's drivable.
No, we have no other option.
And we have no service to call like AAA or anything, so Sam's just gonna drive it down. Oh shit! Over here dodging his bumper. Yeah, it's done, Sam.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Just in time. Look at this, guys. You can see the whole wheel. Well, this is how Sam's car's going home. On the tow truck.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga.